Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Apple Watch feels sluggish or laggy after updating to watchOS 11.4, don't worry because you are not alone. In this hands-on video, I'm going to talk about the 3 best solutions to fix this annoying problem. That's it, let's get started. So first and foremost, I would recommend you to restart both your Apple Watch and your iPhone. It might sound pretty simple, but a full reboot can let you clear up post-update glitches. To do so, you have to press and hold the side button on your Apple Watch, and then you have to drag the power off slider. And then you have to wait for a few seconds, and then you have to press the side button again to reboot your Apple Watch. Then you have to do the same for your iPhone and restart it fully. This helps refresh the connection between your devices and often fixes minor lag issues after software updates. Next up, I will recommend you to clear background apps and reduce animations. Know that heavy multitasking or visual effects can slow down your Apple Watch. Therefore, make sure to give this important solution a chance as well. To do so, you have to press the side button to bring up the recent apps. Then you have to swipe left on each app, and then you have to hit the X button to close them. Then you have to go to the Watch app on your connected iPhone. After that, select Accessibility in the left sidebar. Then you have to choose Reduce Motion and turn it on. This disables unnecessary animations and speeds up transitions across the Apple Watch. And finally, I would recommend you to unpair and repair your Apple Watch. If things still feel slow, unpairing and repairing your Apple Watch can do wonders. To do so, you have to launch the Watch app on your connected iPhone. Then you have to tap your watch, and then you have to choose Unpair Apple Watch. After it resets, make sure to pair it again like a new watch. Your data will be restored from backup during the process, so you don't have to worry about losing any important data at all. And that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to speed up your Apple Watch and fix this annoying problem. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy watches, tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.